Hey, welcome back to Little Blondie's Braids. Today's style is a part line cover French braids. It's our favorite style for summer because it covers up those part lines so we can avoid sunburns when we're out playing. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below and hit the subscribe button because we'll be posting new styles every Sunday. I'll also link all the products that we use in the comments. Thanks for checking in. So I start by dividing the hair into 3 sections, trying to make it as even as possible with the largest chunk down the middle and straight enough part lines. The center will be where I'll start by doing a waterfall French braid. So in order to do a waterfall French braid, you smooth it out in the front. I always add some spray gel. I use the Herbal Set Me Up spray gel, so that'll take care of all the little wispies in the front. And then I divide that front section into 3 even sections, and then across the right section over the top of the center section, and now that one becomes the middle, and then I cross the left section over the top of the center section, and that one becomes the middle. And now what I'll do is take that right section and I'll hand it to her before I scoop up another section. So just like French braiding, only I'm getting rid of each outside section before I add more. So I smooth it out and then I put it over the top. So now it becomes the middle. And then I hand her the left section. And then I take a chunk of hair and that becomes the new left section. And I put it over the center so that now that becomes the middle. And then hand her the right section. And then scoop up another section to be that third piece. I smooth it out. The reason I smooth it out in between each section is because it just makes it look cleaner overall. You don't have to do that, but I just like the way it looks. It's obviously faster if you do not do that. And now I would give her the left section and scoop up another, and then I'll continue this all the way down. So once I get all the way down to the bottom with that center braid, I will pull the sections to the side and smooth them out a little bit, and then put a clip in one side so that I can move on to the French braid in the other side. For the sake of this video, I clipped off the right side and I went ahead and did the left side first, and then I will show you how I went about doing the right side next. Okay, in order to do the French braids that go down each side, on the right hand side I'm going to comb it out a little bit, and then the section from the center French braid that I had pulled out before will become the left hand section, and then I need to pull some hair up to create 2 more sections to start my French braid. I'll also use some spray gel, the Set Me Up Herbal Essence once again. In the front, it creates a little more texture, and like I said before, it gets those wispies out of the way. So I'll smooth that out and I'll create 2 more sections with that. And then I'll start on the right side and go right over the center and then left over the center. And then when I pull up more hair to add to the right hand side, I'll make sure that I go all the way up to the part line, because that's what makes the braid follow the part line. And then once I've smoothed that one out and combined it with that section, I'll go over the top of the center. And now that becomes the center. And then I'll take this section that's left over from this center French braid, and that will become my left hand section. And then I'll add that, or it'll go over and become the center. And then I'll pull hair again all the way to the part line, smooth it out, and add it to that right hand section. And then it'll go over the center and become the center itself. And then next I'll grab the next waterfall piece on the left, add it to the left hand section, over into the center. And then I will just keep doing that all the way down, making sure that when I take the new section that it goes all the way to that part line, because that's how it covers up the part line for me.